Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to explain you how to create JWTs and secure your application. In the front end we create the user and send the data to the backend. After that we send that data to the DB and get the DB user with the ID. We send that data to the front end and we store this thing in our local database. Okay, there's a huge security issue here. First of all, hackers can get into your local storage and steal your data, your email ID and everything. Also, if you went to an unsecure website, it can get all the data in your local storage. Okay, so that's a huge downside. So how do we fix that one? This is the solution. So first we send the user to the backend. Okay, then this user go to the DB and it returns this user with the ID. After that, this backend server will generate a token. Okay, we don't store that token in our database. Okay, we generate it after this DB related computation is successfully completed. Okay, then we pass this ID user with the token to the front end. In the front end we store only the token. Okay, that's why it's important. Okay, why this token is secure? Let me show you. This is how we create a token. We need an object. In that object we can add anything. I normally add the ID, but you can add name and additional fields. It's totally up to you. The key part is we have a secret key. Okay, we use this secret key to create the token and decrypt that token, and we add this expiring date. I normally add 30 days. You can add whatever time you want. So here the secret key is only in our backend server. Others don't have it. That means if hacker or some unsecure website took your token, they cannot get your data because they aren't connected to our backend. Our backend is for us. Okay, that's why it's secure. We store the token. Okay, every time when we go to our application, first thing the application do is application send the token to the backend and get the user information to the front end. Okay, when we register we create the token, when we log in we create the token, but when we get users data after we have the token, we don't need to generate a new one because we generate it when we don't have it. Plus we don't save that token in our database. You must remember those things. Okay, before I show you the code, please subscribe to my channel. I want to give you free and high quality content as much as possible. Thank you for everyone who already subscribed. Let's go to the JWT part. You have to install this Json Web Token using npm. After you created that one, import it using JWT. I have jwt.sign function. In that function I am passing an object. That object only has the ID I get as a parameter to this function. After that I am passing the JWT secret and I am passing another object with the expires in time. I am getting this secret key from the .env file because if we didn't add this inside the .env file, others can get it, right? It should be secure. Also we have verify function. In the verify function we pass the token and again we pass the secret key. Using this function we can verify whether the token is belong to our backend. Okay, so I have created this generate and verify functions and export it. Before I go to the controller, I want to show you that when you create the secret key, I have seen some beginners do this mistake, which is they use the product name dash secret. That is their JWT secret. It is so easy to decrypt. Hackers will have an easy time decrypting that one. So don't add secret keys like that. Create a hard one. How I created this one is I got the crypto library and I passed this crypto.random UUID. It creates a random ID like I show you in the env file. So you can see when I start that, it is here. Okay, so every time when you start that, you will get a new one. So after you got a secret key, comment these two lines. You don't need that anymore. Okay, so that's how you get the secret key. Make sure you add a strong secret key. Okay, let's go to the controller. In the controller I have modified the register function. Now you can see in the register function I am sending the token to the front end, but I don't pass it to the backend. Okay, we don't add the token into our backend. See, there is no token in our scheme. Okay, you can see in our login function I am passing this JW token to the front end. It is same as the register function. Let's test our application. Okay, I already registered one user. Here I'm gonna pass it again to show you. I'm gonna post one. You can see I already got the token. This is our ID, this is our token. So after we send this entire object to the front end, the front end application will store this token in our local storage. It won't store this entire object. Okay, let me show the login function also. You see, we get the token. Alright guys, you must understand that this token and the token that we got when we register the user is different. When the token get expired, you have to create a new one also. So in the next video, I will teach you how to create an auth middleware and how to protect route. So make sure you like and subscribe. I see you guys in the next one. Have a nice day.